Are you looking to take your CNC machines to the next level? Well, stop running around with USB drives and stop making a mess running Ethernet cables. Manufacturing is hard enough. Don't let networking your CNC machines slow you down. Here at CNC Innovations and Engineering, we have your solution. Our CENiC wireless CNC communication systems. Simply set it up. Then plug in the USB and Ethernet. Now you can begin communicating. It all begins with our CENiC ORIGiN communication software. You can manage up to 40 machines, perform program transfer from your PC or CNC machine, send and receive specialty data files, retrieve full machine backup files, access remote screen viewing, and much more. Does your machine have Ethernet? Go wireless with our CENiC ePRO wireless Ethernet bridge. Most companies have Wi-Fi on the shop floor. Take advantage of this using the CENiC ePRO. Once the CENiC ePRO is connected to your wireless network, simply attach it and plug it in. The device is powered by a 5-volt USB port and can access both 2.4 and 5G bandwidths. Worried about your legacy equipment not keeping up? Check out the CENiC RS232 Pro DNC tablet. First, attach the tablet mounting bracket to the side of the controller. Then run the USB communications cable to the RS232 port. Send and receive all of your CNC programs wirelessly over your network using the CENiC RS232 Pro. Okay, you've heard enough from us. Let's hear what other CENiC users are saying.
Management of our programs was getting out of control. With the CENiC system, we now have an organized system for how we manage our programs.
Our shop is way too big to be running around with USB flash drives, and there's no way we're going to rerun all our Ethernet cable. The CENiC wireless system solved all our communication problems.
So, what are you waiting for? It's time for you to connect your success with our innovations. Thank you from all of us at CNC Innovations and Engineering.